Hello and welcome to this interactive learning session. Within this session, we will cover an overview and the positioning of the Qlik connector for SAP. First, let's try to answer a central question. Why does it make sense to use Qlik on top of SAP? With the help of Qlik, business users enjoy analyzing their SAP data. They can explore all the relevant data with great performance within an intuitive user interface. The Qlik associative difference helps them to discover hidden insights within SAP data. This ultimately leads to increased data literacy throughout your organization. Qlik offers built-in augmented intelligence capabilities, which help business users to create actionable insights within minutes. Of course, you can create and consume SAP analytics on any device. You can combine different SAP systems or enhance SAP data with non-SAP data to achieve the desired outcome. Qlik leads the third generation of BI, and one of the paradigms of this generation is to democratize the access to all of the data. This means that all users should have access to all of the data which might be relevant to them. Qlik offers integration to all different types of SAP systems, which includes legacy systems as well as HANA-based systems like S/4HANA, BW on HANA, or BW for HANA. Qlik offers industry-leading range of types of data access scenarios. You can choose on a use case base which approach does fit best or even combine different access scenarios for one use case. Dynamic views can be used for real-time data integration and live data access and push down to SAP. A live or direct access scenario is mainly used for ad hoc data analysis. On-demand app generation can be used for highly guided big data use cases within the SAP landscape. A Qlik data layer might be implemented for being independent from the backend processing time at an early stage. All different types of scenarios are able to leverage all relevant data objects from the variety of different SAP systems. The connection can be established through the Qlik Connector for SAP, the SAP HANA ODBC driver, or other SAP interfaces like REST or Python. Let's jump to a short live demonstration to see how dynamic views are working. We can see a classic Qlik dashboard, in this case based on SAP data, showing highly aggregated sales data. This use case is designed that we, for example, can select criteria where we want to drill down to, for example, country Germany, and then we can advance to the next sheet. On the next sheet, we have some information which is now directly accessed through dynamic views to the SAP system. So we are effectively making a push down to the underlying source and pulling the information which is necessary in this case. Over here, you can see that we have been pulling some sales detail data from the underlying BW query. On-demand app generation is a technique which is often used within a big data scenario, but can be used in any kind of scenario where you want to customize the way how business users can access data, or at least provide a guided scenario for them so that they can easily retrieve the data that they want to use. Let's take a look at a short live demonstration. Before starting to work with the final application, we first have to define our use case. In this case, we just have to select the type of query that we want to use, and that defines the data that we are about to retrieve. In this case, we want to see a sales overview, and sometimes we do have a chance to select even more criteria. The system provides a preview or at least an estimate on the number of rows that we are about to retrieve. Now we can go ahead and generate a new application. Now we are accessing the SAP system live, and we can choose if we want to persist the application which is generated automatically for us. The data behind this dashboard has been retrieved live from the underlying BW query, and this application is not persistent on the Qlik platform. It will be deleted after 1 hour. What's also special about this use case is that the dashboard that we see, or at least the dashboard template behind the scenario, has been defined for us as a business user in advance. So we don't have to take care about generic dashboard layouting. Of course, we can use the standard functionality of Qlik Sense to customize the view that we want to have on our data. The Qlik connector for SAP consists of 8 different connectors, which can be used for integration with all NetWeaver-based SAP systems. The connectors and the related artifacts are deployed in a separate namespace called Qt Qlik is heavily investing in SAP integration. There's a dedicated R&D team in Lund, Sweden, working on the SAP integration, and we are running the certification program from SAP every 2 years. The SAP integration is all about reusability. Within several areas, we are reusing existing data and metadata artifacts like tables, extractors, master data, hierarchies, and of course, security definitions. The connector can be used across the whole SAP landscape, including HANA and non-HANA based systems. Additionally, the Qlik platform can easily be used to combine SAP data with non-SAP data. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to take a look at the additional resources available for the SAP topic.